हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं हूँ ट्विंकल और ये जो सीरीज़ मैंने चलाई हुई है क्विक रिवीजन की, उसी का ये नेक्स्ट वीडियो है। और ये वीडियो है रिलेटेड लैंग्वेज से, यानी इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज से। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं अपने क्वेश्चंस। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज आर कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ लैंग्वेज? लैंग्वेज इज स्ट्रक्चरल सिस्टम, लैंग्वेज इज यूनिक सिस्टम. So the right option is option number 4, both 1 and 2nd. The primary function of the language are expression of feelings, meanings, communication and thinking, to control over people, as the language is a social act, or both. So the right option is both. Command of language gives a feeling of confidence, security, satisfaction, of none of the above. Right option is option number 4. When the language learned naturally and without any systematic practice, then it is called as what? Acquisition. Okay. Next question. When languages are learned without any practice, it is called as first language. Okay. The way through which our art of use, skills and practice is given to learn, it is called learning. Okay. Next question. Which of the following is not correctly matched? So the right answer is option number 4, because ये सारे ही correctly matched हैं. एक बार आप इनको अच्छे से देख लीजिएगा. Next question. Question number 8. Which one is the theory based on the habit formation that says that human or any creature gives response due to stimulus, or human learning due to stimulus? Right answer is classical conditioning. Which one of the following is not one of the stages of learning? Right answer is adoption. 4. The aim is that the child should learn to do the task both accurately and quickly. The statement fits to which of the following stage? Right answer is option number 4, fluency. Which of the following is or are productive skill or skills? Speaking and writing both are the productive skills. Okay. Next question. Effective instructor teach student strategies using minimum responses, recognizing scripts and using language to talk about language. These strategies help to student learn to what? Right answer is speak. Instructor can help student overcome the reticence by assuring them that misunderstanding and the need for the clarification can occur in any type of interaction, whatever the participant language skill level. This particular strategy refers to which of the following? Right option is option number 3, language to talk about the language. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन मैचिंग से रिलेटेड है, तो इसका राइट आंसर इसमें मैंने दिया हुआ है. आप इसको पॉज करके या इसका स्क्रीनशॉट लेके देख लीजिएगा. ठीक है. 1 का है बी, सेकंड का है सी एंड थर्ड का है ए. ओके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Halliday identified 7 functions that language has for children in their early years. Which one of the following is not one of them? So right answer is reflective. Dash function is when the language is used to gain knowledge about the environment. What the tractor doing? Which one of following is above the function identified Halliday? It's heuristic. Okay. Halliday identified 3 mental functions that language has for children in their early years. Which one of following is not one of them? Intrapersonal. Okay. Option 2nd. The goal of grammar instruction is to enable students to carry out their communication purposes. This goal has 3 implications. Which one of the following is not one of them? So the right answer is option 2nd. Students should master every aspect of each grammar point. Next question. Which one of the following is not a basic principle around which a teacher could plan his or her examples? Be sure that examples are accurate and appropriate. Second one is use example as a teaching tools. And the right option is both. Which of the following is kind of speaking situation in which we find ourselves? Interactive, partially, or interactive or non-interactive, or all of these? So the right answer is all of these. Use stress and rhythmic pattern and intonation pattern of the language and use vocabulary appropriately are the micro skills involved in which of the following? Right answer is speaking. Teaching aids such as charts, maps, pictures and drawings should be used by the teacher as they prepare students mentally, motivate for the further preparation, are not expensive. So the right answer is 1 and 2. Any option number second. Language laboratory is the place where the learners have to listen on headphone. The language labs are set up with a view to provide listening activities in order to make them developing good speech habit. Right option is option number 2. Identify the characteristics of various type of instructional material used in the classroom. Instructor. So the right answer is provide direct experiences, yani 4. Okay, next question. Keeping in the view significance of the textbook, what should one keep in his mind while selecting a textbook? Right answer is 1, 2, 3. A is interest in individual differences. The cover should be attractive and qualitative. Text should cover the objectives of the subject. Okay. Which one of the following is or are essential characteristics of a good textbook are? Then right answer is all of the above. Okay. Next question. Which of the following is not the main characteristics of instructional material? Right option is make learning permanent. Option number second. According to a few experts, the students who study grammar are very often able to solve grammar exercise but do not write correct speech. Okay. Next question मैचिंग के लिए है. ये सब मैच रहे, आप एक बार देख लीजिएगा. यानी 1 का C, सेकेंड का A एंड थर्ड का B. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Which of the following are the few features of particular method of teaching learning? So the right answer is deductive method. Which method is based on the theory from example to generalization? This is inductive method. ठीक है. Next question. Which of the following grammar teaching method disturbs the teaching of a textbook or a composition writing at a time? So it's a option number 4 is the right answer, incidental method. In the context of pupils with learning difficulties, which one is not learning difficulties? Lack of good books. Option number 4. The aim of the remedial teaching program यानी RTP is to provide what? Learning support to pupils who lag for behind their counterparts in the school performance. Second one is systematic training to develop pupils generic skills, both of them. Okay. Next question. Which one of the following is not principle of helping pupils with learning difficulties? Option number 4. Teacher provides home tuitions. What should be the order for the process of remedial teaching? The right answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All. यानी इनका करेक्ट सीक्वेंस होगा. फर्स्ट 5 setting teaching objectives, then second adapting the curriculum, then 4 organizing teaching material, then third choosing the appropriate teaching strategies, and the last one is 1 collecting the and preparing support the materials. Okay. Which one of the following should be kept in the mind while formulating homework policies for formulation? So the right answer is 4. Teachers should make good use to their homework as a tool for evaluation and feedback. Okay. सो अब आज मैं 37 तक इस वीडियो में कंप्लीट किया है. अगर ज़्यादा देखेंगे तो वीडियो लंबा हो जाएगा. नेक्स्ट अगले यहाँ से 38 से नेक्स्ट वीडियो में स्टार्ट करेंगे. थैंक यू वेरी मच.